So to you, Brian Claypool, renowned attorney joining me out of LA, the lawyer for Dahlia Dippolito, the so-called Black Widow. Brian Claypool, I guess everybody is teaming up against your poor client, Dahlia Dippolito. Here you've got a former boyfriend, and I'm sure I'm using that term euphemistically, but you've got a former boyfriend who walks into the cop station and says, hey, my old lover, Dahlia Dippolito, is trying to kill her husband. What, is he lying too?
Well, Nancy, one thing you're missing about Muhammad's first interaction with the law enforcement was that he also said that Dahlia conveyed to him that she was being domestically abused and that either she was going to die or either he was going to die. That's the exact first phone call he makes. And that's the point that we were making in the trials, which was, look, the police department did nothing to investigate domestic abuse, and they did everything to make good TV for the Cops television
show.
Hold
on just a moment. Did she call police and report domestic violence?
I don't know whether she called to report the domestic violence.
Wait a minute. You know what? That's why you win so many cases. You get people hook, line, and sinker, because you just said, Jackie, did he just say that the police never investigated all the domestic abuse? But you're telling me you don't know if your client, and you've got a pretty good track record, Troy Slaton, and you don't know whether she ever called cops and said, I just got hit. I'm being abused.
Well, Nancy, this case was always about Dahlia's constitutional rights being violated. That's why I took the case. And everybody's seen that videotape where Dahlia says she's 5,000% sure she wants her husband killed, but they don't see behind the scenes about the police department, Boynton Beach PD, pressuring Muhammad, threatening
Can I get
to
back to you
prosecute
claiming that she was a domestic abuse victim? How long had she been married to her groom?
She did claim that she was domestically abused, and that's in the recording